This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Instagram messages not working or not loading issue. If you're facing this error, follow these simple steps to fix it. The first solution is tap and hold your Instagram application and tap on Info. And here, tap on Mobile Data and enable Allow Background Data Usage. And then tap on Back. Now tap on Battery. And here, if you selected Restricted, then you have to select Unrestricted. And then go back from here. Now tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Once done, go to your Play Store and here search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your Instagram application from here. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your Instagram application and check the issue. That's how we can easily fix Instagram messages not showing or not loading issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.